top news headlines. Joint consultative meeting on education held at City Convention Center. Manipur registers 42 fresh COVID-19 cases. Delhi jumps to 1,227. And Assam Rifles busts extortion module of NSC and KYA in Dimapur. Very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur Television News today at 1 p.m. This is Loving Rimai with the news in detail. A joint consultative meeting on education was held at City Convention in Imphal, organized by Education as University and Higher Education Government of Manipur. The meet mainly deliberated on the current COVID-19 situation vis-a-vis education and lockdown in the state, apart from the school fees of students and salaries of teachers. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham chaired the meet. Higher Education Commissioner M. Harikrishna, Education as Commissioner T. Ranjit, Director T.H. Kiran Kumar, University and Higher Education Director Daina Kumatem, and many experts attended the consultative meet. Addressing the meet, Education Minister Radhesham admitted that the COVID-19 pandemic has posed a huge threat to all activities, including education. He said it was high time for everyone to join hands and find out a way of the situation with regard to education. Meanwhile, the United Association of Recognized Schools of Manipur, a conglomerate of 11 private schools associations, has demanded the government to revoke its order dated June 20 by consulting with the prime stakeholders, that is, parents, teachers, and school authorities. The association said it had held many meetings with government authorities, including the Education Minister, Commissioner, Education as, and Director, Education as. However, before any agreement could be arrived at, the Commissioner Education as issued an order on June 20, creating tension between the government and private schools.
Sectors, normal situation so sectors abnormal or later. Awana pana pick tanba, akona pama pian ni moto ni sama to phangmangam deba. Anang singi wa na dumle pa. Waja singi wa pa pick tanba aduna. Satra singi normal situation da proper education people deba. We are talking about quality education. Proper education mo people deba quality ki wo khana ba ora ni. Aduna anang se aduna normal situation da I'm talking about normal. But now it's very abnormal. We are like in the middle of a war. Mayama third world war. Enemy is unknown. We do not know who is the enemy. Adu third world enemy come the adu kulai sinna gadage hai ba kam ana ka ko thala ne khang da ba adu enemy khang da la na ma ya lit be ma tam se siragi sira akoi angang sing si mo se charang na academic akoi calendar matang da exam system matang da adagi moi ya professional course to ge kari to gani adagi ai parikha tha adu ko tension ma am lai ba ma rak sira as a guardian, as a colleague, as a parent, as a teacher, what role we can play, how we can contribute. How would the see?
42 persons in Manipur were confirmed of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours at Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories VRDLs of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences JANIMS Imphal, officials said. With this, the total tally rose to 1,227 in the state. The fresh patients are all returnees from different parts of the country. The number of active cases in the state now stands 733, while 494 individuals have recovered from the disease till now. The recovery rate in the state is 40.26%, officials said. In a major breakthrough against extortion activities by undergrounds in Nagaland, troops of Assam Rifles in a joint operation with Nagaland police apprehended 3 cadres of NSCN KYA near Old Shoba, Nikheku and Tiligzu village in Dimapur district between Saturday and Sunday last. This was informed in an official press release issued today, according to a media report. Based on specific inputs, the troops launched an operation and apprehended the cadres belonging to the proscribed group from the area. The apprehended cadres have been identified as Self-Styled Secretary Hotosu, PS of SS Brigadier Akau Zimo, Fin Kilonser, Self-Styled Captain Huto, and Self-Styled Liasi Rolem. The team also recovered one HK assault rifle with magazine, 1.22 mm rifle, one single-barrel rifle, one grenade, two pistols, assorted ammunition, and extortion slips. The apprehended individuals, along with recovered items, have been handed over to Dipupar police station for further investigations. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Higher secondary exam the second position yauna position holder kaya puthokraba Brilliance School Malom Tulihal Makhana Hozik Oiriba lockdown gi yengzaraga class 11 science amasung arts ki online amasung offline registration tauba si Sunday yauna matam khara sangdokchare hana lakpada khudong chaba pijagani akupa marol gidamak ekhogi website www.brillianceschool.org natraga ekhogi contact number 9612171646 ta contact tobiyo.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights in association with Child Rights and You, CRY, organized a campaign under the theme Let the Education Continue Non-Stop. The campaign was held in different parts of the state like Churachandpur, Bishnupur, Kangpokpi, Senapati, Thoubal, Chandel, Imphal East and Imphal West districts. During the campaign, awareness was given on social distancing, use of face masks, hand washing and hand sanitizing. Officer in charge of Imphal East District, Police Binod Kumar Moirangthem, along with MACR members and volunteers, kicked off the campaign at Andro Parking. The team also distributed educational kits and face masks to women vendors. With the sole aim of saving precious life, Indian Red Cross Society Imphal East District Branch today organized a voluntary blood donation camp on the theme Save Blood Saves Lives at the Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Janims Porompat, Imphal East. The program was organized to mark the World Blood Donor Day 2020. Over 50 persons donated blood during the camp. World Blood Donor Day takes place every year on 14 June. As well as thanking blood donors, it is a day to raise awareness about the global need for safe blood and how everyone can contribute. Talking to Times of Manipur Television, Indian Red Cross Society Imphal East District Manipur Branch Chairman Narendra Ningomba said that donating blood could save many lives and the donors also have the chance to improve their health by recycling the blood. It is also the best way to exchange love and promote peaceful living, since blood is one of the precious gifts that one can give to the society, he added. Now the need for blood has increased since many people could not go outside freely to donate blood at the blood bank due to the nationwide lockdown. He further appealed to everyone to come forward to donate blood voluntarily for the good cause of the society.
Akhoi pijagadoriba ESina sungsoi shoidana yamna mathau taraba upai lejadraba e natragadi kanmangam naroidaba adugum anaba singdo sungsoi shoidana aikoi kharadi sep tobung amagani haibasi khalubada yamna saukthokshaba amadi nungaijaba poksai aduga miyam pumnamak singnasu e dan tobiu life saver amung obiu aduga tasengnamak aikoi nungsi sanana yamna mapung phaba phajaba state ama aikoi countries da oinana bu honabada aikoi khudumaki thogdang ado lominasi.
Class 10 alumni of Kakching High School of 1984 batch planted saplings at the memorial site of Wangkai Meiraba Poila at Machin Manau Chinglak in Kakching today ahead of Vanma Hotsav 2020. President of Class 10 alumni of Kakching High School, Ann Munal Poila Wangkai Meiraba, led a group of 19 brave soldiers who laid down their lives in Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 at Machin Manau Ching. Two villages in Ukhrul district, Chingai and Ramvu villages, have been declared as new containment zones amidst rising cases of COVID-19 yesterday. The district administration declared Chingai village in Chingai block and Ramvu village in Ukhrul block as new containment zones through an order. The development reportedly came a day after as many as 25 quarantine inmates who were previously cleared of the coronavirus have tested positive again after they had been discharged from their respective quarantine centers. According to reliable source, the 8 inmates were discharged on June 26 after they all tested negative for the virus. All the inmates had also reportedly completed 28 days stay in quarantine centers on the day they were discharged. However, they received their positive results on June 27, a day after they reached their respective homes, sources said. Among them are 12 natives from Chingai, 4 from Ramvu, 4 from Halang, 2 each from Mapum and Parung, and 1 from Tiam Kasom. Under such environment and situation, Hopinson A. Shimre, president of Tangku Nagalong TNL, has called for immediate corrective measures to ensure safety of every denizen.
Investigation and further verification, we found that it happened to be a gross negligence. Rather, it is a criminal negligence on the part of people who are carrying out the testing at Jennings. How can a person who has been given negative result?
Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India has conferred Certificate of Excellence 2019 to City Police Station, Imphal West District. Director General of Police L.M. Kaute handed over the certificate to City Police Station Officer in Charge Sudhir at the police headquarters in Imphal. At the National Kung Fu Taolu Online Championship 2020, jointly organized by All India Kung Fu Federation and International Kung Fu Kickboxing Academy, Tejpur, Assam, from June 5 to 25, Maharashtra has won the team championship title and Kerala got the runners-up title. Messi of Manipuri won a gold in the championship.
आज नेशनल कुंग फू ताओलू ऑनलाइन चैम्पियनशिप का रिजल्ट निकला है। इसमें 149 पार्टिसिपेंट ने भाग लिया। एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा ये, और जिसने इस गेम पे सहायता हेल्प किया उस सबको मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ। आज इस समय में कोरोना वायरस के समय में जो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, इस समय में इस तरह कंपटीशन करके हम लोग आज सक्सेस हुए हैं, और सभी को एक बार धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
We'll be right back up with more updates after the break. Stay tuned.
Ichabu mahi tamhanba haibasi mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudolni. Slopland Public School, biggest and the finest residential school, Manipur gi oina lamjaningai oiraba mahi tamham ama oiriba khwaidigi chunaraba mafamda semgatlaba CBSE the affiliate toba higher secondary school oiri. Icha singbu admission tawidana mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudol oibiu. Icha gi phazabalam chat sajat ki ahombadu ubiu. Slopland Public School Khongjom.
Competitive Success Academy की क्लास 11 अमदी 12 साइंस की एडमिशन हौजरी पिजरीब खुदोंचाबसिंग अदुदी जून था फाउबदा एडमिशन तौबिरकपा क्लास 11 साइंस की अहानब महिरोय यांखै की एडमिशन फी चाद यांखै ताजगनी बोसेन न लौबा एग्जाम दा चाद मरिफु अमदी CBSE न लौबा एग्जाम दा चाद मरिफु तरागी मथक्ता फंगबा महिरोय सिंगी ओइना एडमिशन अमदी ट्यूशन फी लौजरोय अमसुंग स्कॉलरशिप पिजगनी चाद हुंफुदगी हुंफुतरा मंगा फाव फंगबा महिरोय सिंगी एडमिशन तंखाई तमक लौजगनी अमदी लाइरिक लेमना फंगहनजगनी क्लास 12 ता मिंग चन्नबगी दमक अतोपा बोर्ड तगे क्लास 11 पास तौरबा मतुंग एलिजिबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट पाइरबा महिरोय सिंगदा मिंग चन्नबगी खुदोंग चाबा पिजरी अकुप्पा मरोल गिदमक कांटेक्ट तौबिरो कॉम्पिटिटिव सक्सेस एकेडमी उरिपो खोसनाम लेकाई इम्फाल Contact number 6909199961 natraga 89747 natraga 943628830 natraga 7005892 2311.
Welcome back. Tripura Governor Ramesh Bayas has decided to take 30% less salary for 1 year. The governor has taken the decision to strengthen the fight against COVID-19. According to media reports, a press release from Agartala Raj Bhavan stated that the governor would take 30% less salary for 1 year with effect from April 2020. The governor also slashed down some other expenditure. As a part of the limitation, there will be no major works in the financial year 2020 to 21. Only the ongoing works will go on. At the same time, there will be no major renovation work except emergency maintenance works. On the other hand, the expenditure for at-home and state banquet programs will be reduced. The governor has passed necessary instructions to the administration for utilizing the savings from such steps for welfare of common people. In view of the prevailing situation in Meghalaya due to COVID-19 pandemic, the District Magistrate of East Khasi Hills has imposed 144 CRPC in the district with effect from today. As per a prohibitory order issued on Monday by East Khasi Hills District Magistrate M. War Nombri, the prohibition will remain effective between 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. each day in all of East Khasi Hills District, including Shillong Urban Agglomeration, Civil Subdivision of Sora, Pinursala, and C. RD blocks. According to reports, the district magistrate has issued the order in exercise of the powers conferred upon her under Section 144 CRPC, read together with Regulation 3 of the Meghalaya Epidemic Diseases COVID-19 Regulations 2020. The order will remain effective up to July 6 until further orders. The order has been issued to put in place preventive measures and awareness to identify and take more stringent steps to ensure social distancing so that the pandemic of COVID-19 is contained, reduced and eliminated in East Khasi Hills District and Meghalaya by way of ensuring observance of strict protocols of the advisories issued by the Meghalaya Health Department. The order has prohibited the interstate movement. Mumbai's iconic Taj Hotel has received a bomb threat today. After the threat call, security has been beefed up in the entire area. According to media reports, the call is said to be made from Pakistan at around 12:30 a.m. It threatened to blow up the hotel. It may be recalled that in 2008, the Mumbai Taj Hotel had become victim to the infamous 26/11 terror attack. In one of the deadliest terror attacks in India's history, 166 people were killed and over 300 injured when 10 heavily armed Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists from Pakistan created mayhem in Mumbai on November 26, 2008. The terrorists also targeted the Nariman House, also known as Chabat House, where 6 Jews were killed. They were Chabat emissaries to Mumbai at the time. China's parliament passed national security legislation for Hong Kong today, setting the stage for the most radical changes to the former British colony's way of life since it returned to Chinese rule 23 years. According to a media report, state media is expected to publish details of the law, which comes in response to last year's often violent pro-democracy protests in the city. Amid fears the legislation will crush the global financial hub's rights and freedoms, and reports that the heaviest penalty under it would be life imprisonment, prominent pro-democracy activist Joshua Wong said he would quit his Demosisto group. It marks the end of Hong Kong that the world knew before, Wong said on Twitter. Now let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Sunai Express. Negative to negative rigmarole. Retest of 24 of the 25 positives find 19 samples negative. Mom aunt positive, child negative. Government bans 59 Chinese apps including TikTok. Congress protests fuel price hike. Heavy rains in Northeast India, says IMD. The People's Chronicle. Cases continue to rise, recovery rate improving. Week-long total lockdown in Ukhrul from July 1st. Hill student bodies warn of stir if AC reject plan aborted. Private school body slams government policy to skip mid. Private schools serve deadline to government. Private schools may be compelled to shut down their online mode of education, cancel new admission, disallow its facilities to be used as quarantine centers, boycott all government activities, close its gates and seize all of its noble and essential activities if the government continue to ignore their issue. Flash flood buries paddy fields. Farmers seek relief. Imphal Free Press. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh to call on BJP central leaders today. Government bans 59 mobile apps prejudicial to sovereignty integrity of India. Hill-based student bodies plan stir to demand smooth delimitation. Indian Journalists Union Lambas Prasar Bharati. Manipur Mail. COVID-19 cases reach 1,227, 39 discharged. Meghalaya moves towards ensuring COVID-19 awareness in each household. Activist seeks more staff deployment at SBI Chipinang. Chief Minister likely to go Delhi on Tuesday. Lifting and distribution of PDS rice and dal continues unabated.
Giving you the headlines once again. Joint consultative meeting on education held at City Convention Center. Manipur registers 42 fresh COVID-19 cases. Delhi jumps to 1,227. And Assam Rifles busts extortion module of NSC and KYA in Dimapur. That's the end of the bulletin. Thank you for watching.